My name's Sarah and I worked for Newport Bus for just under 4 years. So before I drove buses, I was working in retail. I just fancied a career change and thought, why not be a bus driver? With working with the public, I would say it would be customer service. You've got to be a people person, a versatile person, being able to work independently whilst a team player at the same time. So my training took about 6 weeks. I done my theory test and then done my bus licence, which took about a week. Done my CPC and my Module 4. Same as driving a car, just remembering it just that little bit longer. Other than that, it's exactly the same. It's a versatile job. Like I said, you meet new people, see new areas every day. We're like a family. We all look out for each other. It's looking good. We're hoping that a lot more people are going to start using buses to help with congestion. We've just got electric buses in, which is helping with emissions. So the future's looking positive.